The air in Malacañang Palace was thick with anticipation, a tension so palpable it seemed to settle over every ornate chandelier and polished marble floor. The grand halls, usually echoing with the measured steps of officials, now buzzed with the low hum of whispered speculation and the shuffling of restless feet. Flashes from news cameras painted the historic walls in strobing bursts of light, each click and flare capturing the gravity of the moment. The relentless rhythm of shutters was a drumbeat, underscoring the sense that something monumental was about to unfold. Journalists from every major network leaned forward, eyes fixed on the presidential podium, their pens poised and recorders ready. The room was a mosaic of anticipation, with seasoned reporters exchanging glances, each aware that today's story could redefine the nation's future. Today, January 28, 2026, was not just another day on the calendar. As the sun rose over Manila, it cast a golden glow on a city, bracing for news that would ripple far beyond its borders. The entire country seemed to pause, united in curiosity and hope. The presence of the Secretary of National Defense and high-ranking Air Force generals signaled that this was no ordinary press briefing. Their solemn faces and crisp uniforms hinted at matters of national security and strategy, raising the stakes for everyone in the room. The presidential spokesperson approached the lectern, her voice steady as she declared the dawn of a new chapter for the Philippines. She spoke of ambition, of progress, and of a vision that would propel the nation into a new era of technological and industrial might. Then came the bombshell, an announcement that sent shockwaves through the press corps. The government was officially reviewing a comprehensive proposal from European aerospace giant Leonardo, a name synonymous with cutting-edge aviation and defense technology. This wasn't just about buying fighter jets or upgrading military hardware, it was about forging a transformative partnership, one that promised not only advanced aircraft, but also the transfer of knowledge, skills, and technology to Filipino hands. News tickers across the nation flashed urgent headlines: European giant proposes radical defense pact with PH. Television anchors scrambled to provide live updates, while social media exploded with speculation and debate. For a country long accustomed to importing technology, the prospect of building it at home was electrifying. The idea of Filipino engineers and workers assembling world-class aircraft on local soil sparked a surge of national pride and excitement. This was about more than machines. It was about creating high-tech jobs, nurturing a new generation of Filipino engineers, and inspiring students to dream bigger than ever before. Training centers and universities buzzed with talk of new opportunities and the promise of a brighter future. The seeds of a sovereign aerospace industry were being planted, with the potential to transform the Philippines into a regional hub for innovation and manufacturing. The vision was bold: to see Filipino-made aircraft take to the skies, carrying with them the hopes of a nation. Across the archipelago, millions watched the announcement unfold on their screens. In living rooms, offices, and public plazas, people held their breath, united by a single question: could this audacious dream truly become reality? The answer for now hung in the charged air of Manila as the nation waited for the next chapter to begin. As details emerged, Leonardo's proposal revealed a vision far beyond a simple aircraft sale. The Italian conglomerate presented a five-pillar strategy to integrate the Philippines into the global aerospace community. The first pillar, a long-term industry partnership, with co-investment in new facilities and joint ventures. The second, technology transfer and human capital development, including training academies for Filipino engineers and pilots. The third, a regional logistics and maintenance hub. The fourth, integrating Philippine companies into Leonardo's global supply chain. The fifth, developing a fully sovereign Philippine aerospace industry. Together, these pillars promise to transform the nation's economy and workforce for the 21st century. Let's dig into the first two pillars, the heart of Leonardo's proposal. The industry partnership means joint ventures, with profits and expertise staying in the Philippines. Leonardo's investment would build modern facilities and train Filipino workers, creating a self-sustaining cycle of growth. Filipino-made components could soon be found in aircraft worldwide. The second pillar, technology transfer, is about building a world-class aerospace workforce. Leonardo would help establish vocational schools and advanced engineering programs with top universities. The goal, Filipino engineers managing the entire aircraft lifecycle, from maintenance to upgrades and even design. This is an investment in people, unlocking the nation's potential. It's about moving from consumer to creator on the global stage. The third pillar leverages the Philippines' strategic location to create a regional maintenance and overhaul hub. Aircraft from across Southeast Asia could be serviced here, generating jobs and foreign revenue. This would anchor the country as a center of aerospace expertise. The fourth pillar, integrating local companies into Leonardo's global supply chain. Filipino firms could supply components for aircraft built worldwide, raising standards and competitiveness. The Department of Trade and Industry would help local SMEs level up. This is about elevating the entire industrial ecosystem, not just creating jobs. The fifth pillar is the ultimate goal, a sovereign Philippine aerospace industry. It starts with licensed production, then co-development, and eventually, independent design and manufacturing. This means true control over national defense, no more dependency on foreign suppliers. The Philippines could tailor its own platforms for unique security needs. It's a symbol of national pride and technological maturity. The economic and educational benefits would be immense. This is the North Star, Filipino independence and innovation. Leonardo's proposal is bold, aiming to carve out a place in a market dominated by giants. But the M346FA faces fierce competition from some of the world's most advanced and battle-proven fighter jets, each with its own unique advantages and backers. The American Lockheed Martin F-16 Viper stands as a symbol of reliability and power. With decades of combat experience, it's a proven, advanced fighter that not only brings cutting-edge technology, but also reinforces the deep military ties between the United States and the Philippines. Its widespread use ensures a robust support network and seamless integration with allied forces. The Swedish Saab Gripen, meanwhile, is renowned for its efficiency, low operating costs, and genuine technology transfer. It offers smaller nations a chance at real sovereignty, with the ability to maintain and upgrade the aircraft locally. For countries seeking independence in defense, the Gripen is a compelling option. The Eurofighter Typhoon, a European powerhouse, boasts exceptional speed, agility, and advanced avionics. Backed by a consortium of European nations, it represents not just military capability, but also a potential pivot toward deeper European partnerships and industrial collaboration. The South Korean KF-21 Boramae, though still in development, promises cutting-edge technology and a new model for industrial partnership. It offers the Philippines a chance to be part of an emerging Asian defense ecosystem, with opportunities for local industry involvement and future upgrades. Each contender brings its own strengths, weaknesses, and far-reaching geopolitical implications. The decision isn't just about performance on paper, it's about the future direction of the country's defense and foreign policy. The Department of National Defense must weigh not just technical specifications, but also the strategic, industrial, and diplomatic benefits each option offers. The choice will shape the nation's alliances, defense capabilities, and even its industrial future for decades to come. Ultimately, the decision isn't just about jets, it's about forging alliances, ensuring independence, and securing the nation's future in a rapidly changing world. Choosing the F-16 means seamless interoperability with U.S. forces, access to a vast support network, and a reaffirmation of the U.S.-Philippine alliance. Opting for the Gripen offers cost-effective sovereignty, with the promise of local maintenance, training, and true operational independence. Selecting the Typhoon signals a strategic pivot to Europe, opening doors to new partnerships and advanced technology sharing. The KF-21 is a high-risk, high-reward bet on Asian partnership, offering the chance to shape the future of regional defense and industry together. Choosing between the F-16 and the Gripen is a classic dilemma for any Air Force. Do you stick with a tried and tested ally, or do you chart a new course toward greater independence? This decision isn't just about picking a plane, it's about defining a nation's strategic future and the alliances it wants to nurture. The F-16 is a familiar sight in skies around the world. It's a powerful, versatile fighter, and its political significance cannot be overstated. For decades, it has symbolized close ties with the United States, offering access to advanced technology and a vast support network. However, these benefits come with strings attached. U.S. policy decisions can directly impact access to spare parts, upgrades, and even operational use, sometimes limiting a nation's autonomy. When it comes to industrial participation, the F-16's package is robust, but it's unlikely to match the depth and flexibility offered by some European competitors, such as Leonardo or Saab, especially in terms of local industry involvement and technology sharing. The Swedish Gripen, on the other hand, is engineered for affordability. operational flexibility, and ease of maintenance. Its design philosophy centers on keeping costs low and readiness high, making it attractive for countries seeking to maximize value without sacrificing capability. Saab's approach is unique. Its model is built around genuine technology transfer and local assembly, empowering partner nations to develop their own aerospace industries and technical expertise. This means more jobs, skills, and self-reliance for the buyer. Yet, the Gripen's global footprint is much smaller. It lacks the F-16's extensive support network and proven combat record, which can be a concern for countries that value interoperability and a track record of success in real-world operations. Sweden's policy of neutrality means less political leverage on the world stage compared to the United States, which can influence international affairs and defense partnerships more broadly. Ultimately, the choice is strategic. Do you opt for deep integration with the US, accepting a degree of dependency, or do you pursue operational economy and greater sovereignty with Sweden, building your own capabilities from the ground up? This decision goes far beyond aircraft performance. It's about shaping the nation's long-term independence, security, and industrial future. The path chosen will echo for decades. So, which path will secure the future? The answer lies in the priorities and vision of the nation making the choice. The Eurofighter Typhoon is the most powerful air-to-air fighter in the competition. It's a statement of top-tier air superiority, but comes with high costs and complex multinational negotiations. Its twin engines mean more fuel and maintenance, possibly limiting fleet size. The South Korean KF-21 Boramae is the wild card, advanced but not yet combat-proven. Partnering with Korea offers a chance to join a rising defense industry from the ground up. The risk developmental challenges and uncertain timelines. The reward, deep technology sharing and a model for rapid industrial growth. The choice proven power or bold partnership for the future. The decision before Manila is more than a military purchase, it's a defining moment. One path: buy proven jets, reinforce old alliances, and remain a technology consumer. The other: embrace Leonardo's vision, invest in people, and build a sovereign industry. The first offers short-term security through dependence. The second, long-term strength through self-reliance. The nation must ask, do we want to be a regional power with our own industry, or a perpetual client state? The president's choice will echo for generations. Today's children will inherit the consequences. Will they service foreign jets or design Filipino aircraft? This is about the soul of a nation and the future it dares to build.